Hello class, I'm Mark McKinney, and this is my UI observation presentation for the Google Maps app. My video is for the Google Maps app for the iPhone. Google Maps is an app that uses GPS for tracking routes with the pre-installed maps, as well as a search engine for locations found on those maps. When you open the app, your location is seen as the blue dot in the center. At the top is a search bar for inputting locations or addresses. Across the bottom are four common search categories for immediate use. When you search on any one of the categories, such as restaurant, a map pops up that shows any restaurants close to your current location. Under the map, you can personalize filters so the information important to you will be shown about any location you select. Such info could be prices, ratings, as well as the physical address and pictures. At the top left of the search bar is a menu button. When you select it, this screen appears. Several options are presented for you to personalize the app even more. Some options are the ability to store frequent locations, a timeline of your trip, messages, and the ability to save maps for offline use. When you're ready to search for a location, you input the name or the address into the search bar that runs across the top. Underneath the search bar, your most recent searches are shown in case you're trying to return to a previous location. Once you've entered the name or address, the view changes to a map where your place of interest is indicated with a red icon. Down below, you have the option of getting detailed directions, start traveling to the location with predetermined paths, call the location, or send the info about the location by AirDrop. You can also click on the name of the location in this map view and you come to a screen shown here. Here you are provided info about the location you searched for. Info can be such as the hours of operation, phone numbers, addresses, website address, and a history of previous searches for this location or just some of the information provided. When you choose directions, the view changes to a map showing various paths you can take to get there from your current location. You choose which pathway to take by selecting it with a touch. Below the map, it shows the time, the distance to get there, and how available parking is based on which pathway you choose. There are also two types of directions you can choose at the very bottom. The first one, the direction on the left side, is indicated as steps. This provides a detailed step-by-step breakdown describing the street names, landmarks, and which way you'll be traveling along with these distances. This is useful if someone can read these out to the driver. Otherwise, it's probably too much info to take in while doing the actual driving. The other type of directions is a virtual drive on the map. This is a on-screen indicator of you on the map. The roads are highlighted that you need to drive on. As you go along, the indicator moves along in real time. Map highlights far enough ahead for you to make sound driving decisions, such as which lanes to be in, using turn signals, and how soon to slow down. There is also a voice that tells you in advance of where to turn and which lane to be in. Between the voice and real-time map, you are able to concentrate more on the road and less on the map itself. This is a safer approach and is useful when you are driving alone. Overall, I prefer Google Maps over Apple Maps or any other type of GPS or map apps. It's intuitive to use, the graphics are clean and understandable, it provides many options to personalize it, and the virtual map view allows far enough looking to make sound decisions and planning. I do have two concerns though. The first one is I wish there was a way to speak into the app itself like I speak to Siri so I can make changes while driving without using my hands. The other concern is that the voice can sometimes repeat itself or even skip ahead if there is multiple information or directions it's trying to relay to you within a very short amount of time. Regardless, this is my go-to GPS and map app, and it has provided me many years of safe and informative driving. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you have been informed. Thank you.